Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to improve our English speaking skill. So first of all, you have to know speaking, writing, these are different things. So before writing, you need reading skill. If you want to improve your writing skill, so you need reading skill improvement. But if you improve your speaking skill, then you need listening skill. Means you listen everything, whatever you want, whatever you speak. Okay, so listening is the most important thing for speaking, not writing. If you want to write anything, then you need reading skill. So I have heard about how to improve our fluency. So fluency is proportional to listening skill. Whatever you listen, you can easily speak. But whatever you read, you can't speak. So for speaking, your fluency improvement depends upon your reading skill, not listening skill. Okay, so you whenever you listen, okay, so first of all, your native language is Hindi, but you want to speak in English, then you need to listen English podcast, English music, English videos, I mean English words. Okay, so I think you can easily understand. So I read multiple types books for learning English, but there are no any impact mostly on my speaking. But when I focus on my listening skill, and my automatically improve my speaking fluency increase. Okay, so this is very basic thing, but I think there are two concepts. If you want to write with the speed, then you need reading skill. If you want to speak fluently, then you need listening skill. Okay, so guys, this is my personal thing. So I think if you try this trick, so it definitely work with you. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or I will give you reply definitely. So if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel. See you in my next video. Bye soon.